Have you ever felt like your muscles just aren't what they used to be? Maybe getting out of a chair feels harder, or climbing stairs leaves you winded. It's easy to blame aging, but what if your diet is secretly speeding up that muscle loss? In this video, we're uncovering 6 specific foods that can help seniors rebuild strength, fight off weakness, and stay independent longer. And the number 1 food on this list might be the most powerful one you're not eating. Hey there, and welcome to Alpha Vitality. I'm Dr. Alpha, and around here, I break down simple, science-backed ways to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent as you age. If you're over 60, losing muscle isn't just about looking frail. It's about your independence, energy, and ability to keep doing the things you love. In today's video, I'll show you 6 of the best foods to protect and rebuild your muscle strength, all backed by research and practical advice. We're counting them down from 6 to 1, so make sure you stick around to discover the food that could make the biggest difference in how you feel and move every day. 6. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt might seem like just another dairy product, but it's packed with casein and whey protein, 2 types of protein that help preserve and rebuild muscle mass. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has double the protein and is loaded with probiotics that support gut health, ensuring your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. Try having a bowl of Greek yogurt with some raw honey for an easy protein-packed breakfast or snack. You can also mix in some chopped nuts or seeds to add a healthy crunch and an extra dose of nutrients like magnesium and healthy fats. For even more variety, try layering Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds for a delicious parfait that supports muscle health, digestion, and heart function all in one go. Greek yogurt gives your muscles a solid foundation. But what if the real secret to muscle strength isn't protein alone? Let's move on to a surprising food that fuels your muscles in an entirely different way. 5. Bananas, the electrolyte booster. Muscle weakness isn't always about protein. It's also about electrolytes. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that prevent muscle cramps, fatigue, and weakness. A deficiency in these nutrients can lead to shaky muscles, spasms, and even pain. Have a banana with your breakfast or blend it into a smoothie for a quick energy boost. They also pair well with Greek yogurt or nut butter to provide a more balanced snack that supports both muscle strength and sustained energy throughout the day. For extra variety, slice them onto whole grain toast with almond butter or freeze them for a refreshing post-workout treat. Bananas are also easy to digest, making them a great option for seniors with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. Bananas help keep cramps away. But what if you could actually build stronger muscles while calming inflammation at the same time? The next food delivers on both fronts. 4. Wild-caught salmon, the anti-inflammatory muscle saver. Wild-caught salmon is a powerhouse for muscle health. Not only does it provide high-quality protein, but it's also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and prevent muscle loss. Research shows that omega-3s can boost muscle protein synthesis, making it easier to maintain strength as you age. These healthy fats also help improve blood flow and heart health, which in turn enhances overall physical performance and recovery. In addition, salmon contains important nutrients like vitamin D and B12, both of which are vital for nerve function and energy metabolism, key components in keeping your muscles responsive and strong. Enjoy grilled salmon for dinner, or add salmon fillets to a salad for a nutritious, muscle-supporting meal. For an extra health boost, try pairing it with steamed vegetables or a side of quinoa. You can even flake leftover salmon into an omelet or mix it into whole grain pasta for a quick and nourishing lunch. Salmon takes care of your muscles from the inside out, but what about the tissue that holds everything together? This next food is a powerhouse for your joints and mobility. 3. Bone broth, the joint supporter. Bone broth is loaded with collagen, amino acids, and minerals that help with muscle repair and joint health. Collagen is particularly important because it provides the structural support for muscles, tendons, and ligaments, helping you stay strong and mobile. It also supports skin elasticity and gut health, which are both essential for nutrient absorption and overall vitality. The glycine and proline found in bone broth also play a role in reducing inflammation and promoting better sleep, both of which are critical for proper muscle recovery. Sip on a warm cup of bone broth in the morning or use it as a base for soups and stews to get an extra dose of muscle-boosting nutrients and joint-friendly nourishment. You can even freeze it in cubes to add to sauces or reheat small portions as a soothing, nutrient-rich drink throughout the day. If you're enjoying this so far, give that like button a quick tap hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss one of my health tips. Let's keep your body strong and your mind sharp. Now, before we dive into the final two powerhouse foods, I want to share something that could seriously level up your muscle strength and more. If you're looking for an easy, natural way to support your body every day, I highly recommend checking out a supplement I've personally been excited about: Moringa Magic. This isn't just some trendy capsule. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet, and these capsules are packed with over 90 vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and all 9 essential amino acids. Your body needs to rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and restore your energy levels. Each capsule delivers key nutrients like magnesium, potassium, zinc, calcium, iron, and B vitamins, plus powerful plant compounds like chlorogenic acid that support everything from blood pressure to metabolism. I've seen firsthand how helpful this can be for seniors who want better joint comfort, clearer focus, stronger bones, and more energy to get through the day without dragging. And the best part? It's gluten-free, non-GMO, 100% natural, and made right here in the USA. So if you've been feeling stiff, sluggish, or just not like yourself lately, this could be exactly what your body's been missing. You can learn more about it through the link in the description. Click it now and see why so many are calling Moringa Magic their go-to for aging strong. We're getting to the real game changers now. We've covered the essentials, but the next two foods go above and beyond when it comes to restoring lost muscle and unlocking your full strength. 2. Pasture-Raised Eggs, the muscle builder. Pasture-raised eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet when it comes to muscle health. They contain high-quality protein, leucine, a key amino acid for muscle growth, and vitamin D, which plays a huge role in muscle function and strength. Have scrambled eggs for breakfast, hard-boiled eggs as a snack, or cook them with some grass-fed butter for an even healthier option. You can even add them to a salad, mix them into stir-fries, or bake them into casseroles to get more muscle-supporting nutrients throughout your day. They're also a highly versatile ingredient in dishes like egg muffins, frittatas, and protein-packed wraps. Plus, their bioavailable nutrients are easy for aging bodies to absorb, making them ideal for seniors who need to maximize every bite for better strength and energy. Eggs are impressive, but what if there was a food that does even more? One that rebuilds strength, boosts energy, and repairs muscle damage at the deepest level? Let's reveal the number one game changer. 1. Grass-fed beef, the strength restorer. This is the ultimate muscle-building food for seniors. Grass-fed beef is packed with complete protein, creatine, iron, and essential amino acids, all of which are critical for maintaining muscle strength. It also contains high levels of B vitamins that help with energy production and muscle recovery. Grill a grass-fed steak, make a hearty beef stew, or enjoy a burger without the bun for a high-protein meal. You can also add ground grass-fed beef to scrambled eggs or lettuce wraps for easy, nutritious meals. It's a great option for batch cooking too. Make a big batch of seasoned beef to use throughout the week in tacos, stir-fries, or stuffed bell peppers. Grass-fed beef also has a better fat profile than conventional beef, offering more omega-3s and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which are linked to reduced inflammation and better muscle metabolism. Eating grass-fed beef regularly can help you maintain your strength and prevent muscle loss as you age. Muscle weakness isn't just about aging, it's about how you nourish your body. These 6 foods offer real, natural solutions to help you rebuild strength, improve mobility, and stay independent. Whether you're getting your protein from Greek yogurt or restoring deep muscle strength with grass-fed beef, every bite can make a meaningful difference. You don't need complicated routines or expensive programs, just consistent, nutrient-rich choices that work with your body, not against it. Prioritize these foods, and you'll be giving your muscles the fuel they need to keep you active, capable, and confident, today and in the years ahead. I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with muscle weakness or felt like your strength just wasn't what it used to be? Which of these foods are you most curious to try? Or maybe you've already found something that's made a big difference for your strength and energy. Share your story in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else to take action. And if this video opened your eyes or made you think of someone who could use this advice, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend or loved one who needs to see this. Now that you've got the tools to fight muscle weakness, let's take it a step further. What if you could help your body regenerate, feel more youthful, energetic, and resilient, well into your 60s and beyond. In our next video, I'll reveal science-backed strategies to help your body heal faster, move better, and bounce back like it did decades ago. Want to unlock those secrets? Click here to check it out now.